Today is September 17. Beautiful day up here in the mountain. It's going to be a glorious day. Major milestone. I will finish the second floor deck today, this morning actually. Look at this. Beautiful. I got all this place yesterday. Worked up until about, I don't know, 7:30. It was dark. Just a tiny little bit right there. So I'll get that done. Look at how clear it is. You know, yesterday we had hurricane with it. Only a little bit of wind left over from the hurricane. Still a little bit windy. Not crazy windy like yesterday. Oh my God. It was getting under the EPDM. All right. I'm switch my sights to doing other things. Like, I don't know, maybe making windows and doors. We'll see. I've got visitors today. And visitor with a new color, a new hair color.
Yes, Papa.
But look, most importantly, my minions showed up. They are going to move this pile from here over to there.
So do they go in different piles?
Yeah, that goes in a straight block pile. Buen trabajo, mami.
Oye, que te gusta molestar. Me traíste a eso, una princesa trabajando.
You want some gloves for those princess hands?
Oh, yeah. Sí.
This is our future bedroom. What do you think?
Papi, ¿qué es esos pensamientos?
Pretty cool, huh?
Y ahí es donde te vas a sentar a leer.
Yes. Yeah, come here. See? In my partisan, I'll put a chair right here, and so I'll sit and read in my old age. And look at this. So exciting. Minions moving styrofoam. Oh, how didn't I think of this earlier?
Papá se ve grande.
Yeah. So now the whole second floor is done. The deck's down. It's all waterproof. I bet you weren't expecting a swimming pool in your bedroom. This is going to be your bedroom. How cool is that? You get your own swimming pool.
Yeah. It's so cool. Wait, what is that?
What? The round room? Oh, the thing sticking off the side?
Yeah.
That's called a bartizan.
Oh,
So it's going to be a little round turret that sticks off our bedroom. So what happened to the block moving project? You guys are not making much progress.
yeah.
Ugh, it's so hard to find good help. Where can I get new minions?
I'm too sick.
Oh boy.
I'm dead.
Look at this. How long did you guys last? Only about 10 minutes? You know, I come up here and I put in like 14-hour days in the hot sun. You guys last 10 minutes and then conk out.